One day, I asked myself a question. What's the meaning of life? I mean, the true one. Complicated, I know. And I suppose you have asked it yourself too. Then, I started to watch everything around me. Nature, animals, and mainly people. Every single person walking down the streets, going to work, to school, using a cell phone, listening to music, or just enough moments. Playing with their dogs, practicing some sport, creating things, dating. And I thought, what moves these people? Why do they do all these things? And after many observations, reflections, and so many conclusions, I was only satisfied with one. Death. Yeah, death. The meaning of life. It's a strong and shocking word, I know, but it clearly defines a lot of our actions. Why else will we do everything we do in this life? It's knowing that one day we will die which makes us appreciate what's around us and fight for it. It's knowing that we will die, that we love and forgive, smile and cry, that we dream. It's because we have hardly any time in the world and want to enjoy this precious time that we run towards our goals. Because of this, we fall into sorrow when an arrow puts us farther away from a dream or from someone. There are things that really don't come back. Our time is counted and short, though it's never too late to start something or to start over. So, love, forgive, smile, cry, create, and enjoy. Stay together with someone you love. Do something good for the people. Because when all of this comes to an end and you're no longer here, what will remain? It will be just what you need to the people. The value you had in the life of each person and the world. Your actions. And even though you're not present, you will remain alive in the memory of each and every human being. Just think about it.